Mommy gets the camera and you stop?
I don't know what that means, pal. We're not answering to that anymore. Say a word. You want to go to bed? Yeah, Daddy had the wrong idea.
Use your words.
They are. They are. All right.
That says that you're a junior engineer.
All right.
Ow!
Where's Will's pinky?
It's right here in my hand, dear. What would you like? Use your words. What does mean? What are you trying to tell me?
What do you want?
Are you asking me to turn it on? What are you asking? Would you like it turned on?
Put your hands up, Tyler's crying. Put your hands up, Tyler's crying.
Daddy used to do that with you. But there wasn't a big brother who was all upset. Tyler, you have words. Use
He's
them.
eating me. All right.
Have we figured out what you want yet?
Nope.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I told him in the truck we're not paying attention to that
Okay. I'll feed Will dinner. Or bedtime, I mean.
anymore. Come on, let's get changed. Ready? Whoa! Up we go! Yep, you're tired and cranky. I'm gonna give you, where's his medicine?